Welcome to our exploration of Oman's magnificent nature. Join us on a journey through breathtaking landscapes and enchanting destinations. Oman's natural beauty is unparalleled, with pristine mountains, lush valleys, golden beaches, and expansive deserts awaiting discovery. Experience the wonders of Oman's biodiversity as we delve into its natural parks and reserves, home to rare wildlife and unique plant species. Now, let's embark on a virtual tour of Oman's top tourist spot. From the vibrant markets of Muscat to the serene Wahiba desert, each destination offers a glimpse into Oman's rich history and culture. Explore the ancient walls of Nizwa Castle and soak into the sun of the shores of Masirah Island. Don't miss the opportunity to hike through Wadi Bani Khalid or marvel at the panoramic views of Jebel Shams. But the adventure doesn't end there. Discover the hidden gems of Wadi Shop, Oman, where cascading waterfalls and crystal clear pools create a paradise for nature lovers. And immerse yourself in the tranquil beauty of Salalah, where sandy beaches and towering mountains beckon travelers from around the world. Come along as we explore the wonders of Oman's nature and uncover the secrets of this captivating country. Subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and let's embark on the unforgettable journey together. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favorite destinations in Oman. And stay tuned for our next adventures as we continue to explore the beauty of our world.